This over here is a product of ClickBank, and this over here you can see this product initial sale is $24.29, and this is their affiliate page. And over here you can see called Lead Magnet. Lead Magnet is a kind of ebook which you give to collect the emails, but I'm going to show you how you can use this Lead Magnet, a ebook, to get more and more views to your products. More the eyeballs, more the hops, there is a chances of getting the sales. In this video, I'm going to show you how to promote ClickBank product for free with free traffic using a lead magnet. No email, no website is needed. My name is Raj and welcome to my channel Affiliate Conversion, where I'm uploading videos on Monday and Thursday. And if you're first time watching, do subscribe my channel, watch this few of these videos, and if this is providing you values, subscribe my channels and smash that like button, because using this strategy of lead magnet, you can get lot of hops to your affiliate product. If you're promoting ClickBank product with free traffic, you need lot of hops or the link clicks to get some conversion, and this strategy can work with any of the niche, okay, make money online or law of attraction, whatever it is. So here you can see this product like custom keto diet. You have to open the affiliate page. In their affiliate page, guys, you can see there is a lead magnet. So lead magnet here is a ebook. Lead magnet is very useful thing to collect the email, guys, as well as to get the free traffic right from the free platform, whatever you're using, like Instagram and Facebook, which I'm going to cover in this video. So guys, what you have to do is like you have to download this ebook to your device. Okay, you can download this ebook in your device. Then you have to create a landing page like this. Okay, in this landing page, guys, you have to give the ebooks below here, and the message is here, guys: get your free, delicious, easy keto recipe ebook below. As well as, guys, in the top you can give watch this free special presentation and get your custom keto diet plan now. Okay, so now this is the link of the video sales letter. Okay, now you're promoting this product. So here you can see they have the red sales page or the video sales letter. You can send them directly to this. So in the name of, guys, this ebook or a free ebook, you're also trying to send your audience to this video sales letter. So if they're going to click here, it will take you to the sales page. If they buy, you'll make a commission. Okay, or else, guys, they are going to download their right ebook. So your promotional strategy should be promoting this ebook as well as this free video presentation, whatever the traffic source which you're covering. Okay, I'm going to show you in a second traffic also at the end. So stick to this video and watch this video till the end. So now, guys, you should know how to use this lead magnet. Okay, so here you can see this is the ebook, which once if you download in your device, now you can optimize this ebook, guys, so that you can get lot of hops to your offer. Okay, the number one way of doing this is, guys, editing this ebook and inserting the affiliate link to this ebook. How are you going to do this? For this, guys, you have to use this website called pdfescape.com. pdfescape.com. The link is given in the description. It's a free to create an account. Click here, my account, and here you can download that PDF which we have downloaded in our device. Okay, so upload a PDF. So if you click here, download this, and this is the PDF. So now we are going to edit this PDF, just inserting the affiliate link here. You can promote anywhere, right, wherever you want. And what you have to do is like click here in the text, and then this is the place you can put the link, like this one here. Like click here to access the custom keto diet plan. Okay, and then what you have to do, right, increase the font size, like which is flexible here, and also you can choose whatever the font size you needed. Meanwhile, I'm just keeping like this. Okay, and then you can insert the link in this. Okay, so you can select this one like this here. Okay, and you will insert the affiliate link. So you can go here and you can click here promote and click here generate hop links, and this is the links you're going to copy from here, and you're going to go insert here, right, and then say okay. And then, guys, here you can see your affiliate links is here in this, and you can give this kinds of promotion in different pages. There are almost like 41 pages here, guys. Do not try to give in every page. That's not the right way, right? You can give in so many different pages, right? Selective pages, wherever you feel. Whenever they read this ebook, they will go through your links, okay? Or there is a more chances that they're gonna click on that link. So once if you insert the more links here, download this, okay, by clicking here. save and download, upload it to get response file in images section so that you can create link. You can also download in the Google Drive and create links, right? And then here you can see this, right? Copy URL. So now you got your URL. Then guys, you can insert that link in this, guys, in this place. Okay, they're going to download this ebook. You are retargeting that customer again. If they are not going to watch your video here, they will definitely going to watch the video here while reading this entire ebooks. So now guys, you can promote this landing page, whatever the strategy you are using. So if you are promoting with Facebook group, you can find some of the group or pages, right? The best thing is, guys, having your own page or group. I already have a video on that, so the link is popping up in the window right now. You can watch that video later, and then find a good group, and you have to make a post like this. Okay, look at this. Take the 30 days keto challenges to remove extra fat from your belly. Say yes, I will send you the challenges for free. Okay, this is some other product, right? Keto challenge product, but you can create the similar kind of a post here, and somebody is going to type, personally message them. Okay, do not put the link over here, the landing page link here. Personally message them. Or you can create this kinds of post with Canva, like anybody looking for free, delicious, easy keto recipe ebook, comment yes below. Okay, this is right, you can create very easily free with Canva. As well as, guys, you can also check their affiliate page, and here you can see social media. Under this, you're going to get so many social media posts given by the vendor itself, right? So you can download this post and you can see, right? Look at this. This is the post. Okay, you can post these kinds of posts in a Facebook group or pages, and you can put in the text, right? If they are looking free stuff, you can give them there. Okay, so you can use that. As well as if you're using Instagram, the best thing is, guys, put your landing page link here. Whenever somebody is following your Instagram page, right, welcome them, telling them, right, that is a free ebook. Okay, that is one of the thing. And if you're looking fastest way, right, then you have to DM them. For DMing people, guys, what you have to do is you have to follow a similar keto pages, and then, guys, find the recent post. Once if you get the recent post, click here and follow this people, 1 or 2, 3 people, or you can message her, okay, about this product. Okay, you can open and look at this. This is one of the profile. You can follow this page and then like few of the first images, and in one of these images, right, comment here that you have a free keto ebook, and if you want, you can check in their bio. With that, they can also check your Instagram page. Okay, if they like your Instagram page, they will follow also. Okay, and they can also get the free gift. Okay, so this is one of the best strategy, guys. Not only you're giving them a ebook, right, you're also creating an option so that more eyeballs your offer should get, as well as sending them to the video sales letter. If they're going to buy from this, guys, you're going to create a commission. If they don't buy from this, guys, you already have the ebooks which you are giving to them. If they read and if they really like it, they will click on that and they're going to buy from that. So if you really like this strategy, guys, smash that like button right away, right now, and subscribe my channel to get and see more different strategies. And before you go, watch this 2 video based on free traffic, where you can learn how to promote affiliate product with free traffic.